Right, welcome back. So this is the question that was done as classwork. This is the question that was done as classwork, and everyone has done the question. I moved around checking those with challenges. I've assisted them. So for the benefit of everyone, even those who are following these lessons, we are going to go through the question together so that everyone benefits. Right. The question reads, carbon dioxide reacts with carbon in a closed system. Why a closed system? Why is the system supposed to be closed? For the reaction to be able to reach equilibrium. If it's not closed, then the gases will just diffuse out of the container. So it has to be a closed system for the reaction to reach equilibrium. Right, so the reaction produces carbon monoxide according to this balanced equation. Carbon dioxide reacting with carbon to form carbon monoxide. Initially an unknown amount, so we don't know the amount. Just like in the example that I used where the unknown was identified as X. So, like I said, just use any letter to represent the unknown initial amount of carbon dioxide is exposed to hot carbon in a sealed 2 cubic decimeters container. The equilibrium constant Kc for the reaction is 14. At equilibrium, it is found that 168 grams of carbon monoxide are present. Calculate the initial mass of carbon dioxide. A 9 marks question. A 9 marks question. If you know what you're doing, you will actually smile because you know that it is a chance for you to get more marks. But if you are not sure or if you don't know what to do, that is when you will be disturbed because you know that 9 marks are gone. So let us make sure that we master this so that you are not going to be scared by the 9 marks. Right, as usual, we have to use our Kc table to obtain the concentrations at equilibrium. It's difficult for you to get the concentrations at equilibrium if you don't use the Kc table. Our equation is carbon dioxide in gaseous state reacting with carbon in solid state, forming carbon monoxide in gaseous state. Right? We don't have any information about carbon that is given, so it's safe to just cross out so that you will not be tempted to use any information of that carbon. Right, ratio 1:2. Initial number of moles of carbon dioxide is an unknown amount, so let's just use X. Those who started in mathematics, even our ancestors, they've been looking for X, so we'll continue looking for X. Okay. Initial number of moles of carbon monoxide, the product 0. Let me check again any other information that we have. We have the mass at equilibrium, 168 grams. So, like I always say, this is a table that only takes moles. You cannot write mass in the table. So this mass of carbon monoxide has to be converted to moles using the formula N equals mass over the molar mass. The mass is 168. Then the molar mass of carbon monoxide, we are adding the mass of carbon 12 to the mass of oxygen 16. This simplifies to, so this is the number